and welcome to a Honda CB200 video. In this video I'm going to reassemble the horn. Follow me along as we strip it, paint it, fix it and sort it. So there's the body of the alarm. I need to of the horn. I need to carry on cleaning off the face here for the ceiling face. I might try and get in there and try and clean out some of the contacts. The rest of it's looking clean and tidy in there, which is really good. I need to carry on putting the penetrating oil on the nut there to try and get that to undo, so I can then clean out the rest of the body, particularly in here for where the wires go in, so I can probably put a bit of silicone sealant in there just to seal that up again, as there's no way of replacing that connector, that seal that's in there, and tidy up the wires and the contacts. But yeah, so that's pretty good progress for now. We'll revisit this as I progress through it. So left to do on this is to make a couple new gaskets, new seals. So these seem to be extremely thin. I'm wondering if they're sort of a greaseproof paper would suffice for the thickness of that. bit of copper grease should do it fine. So I'll make some more of them later. But there's that done, ready to go on. Not sure whether I'll paint that, but there's that ready. Make some gaskets, and there's that done. we're back here at the final assembly of the horn. So as you saw, stripped it all down, etc. Cleaned all this up, fixed one of the screw holes in there, cleaned all in here. One thing worth pointing out on this horn, and many like it, is there is this screw head on the back of it. Now what this does is it adjusts the pressure onto this little flap just in here. So as the diaphragm moves up and down and presses on this to break the circuit, therefore break the electromagnet that's in here, this screw adjusts that pressure on that. So we'll tweak that when it's all assembled and back together. So I'm just going to reassemble this and get it ready to go back on the bike. So there's a battery. Let's see if it works. So with a little bit of adjustment of this adjustment screw, we can then finally tweak the actual contacts. And that is better done on the bike. Okay, that's too far. There you go. Restoration of a Honda CB200 motorcycle horn. Right, well I hope you enjoyed that video going through the restoration of the motorcycle horn. Do give it a thumbs up. Do hit the subscribe button if you're not a regular subscriber to this channel, and obviously the bell notification to follow the latest updates. So this has been the Honda CB200 motorcycle horn restoration. Cheers. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.